Vandalia, Ohio. Concrete Installer's License Bond. What is a Vandalia, Ohio concrete installer's license bond? A Vandalia concrete installer's license bond is a type of surety bond that concrete contractors may be required to obtain before receiving or renewing a license to perform concrete installation work within the city. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with local ordinances, building codes, and licensing requirements. The bond helps protect the public and the city from losses resulting from a contractor's failure to meet these obligations. Why is Vandalia, Ohio concrete installer's license bond required? The bond is required to promote accountability and ensure that concrete installation work is performed according to applicable regulations and standards. It provides a layer of financial protection for property owners and the municipality if a contractor violates licensing rules, causes damage, or fails to complete work properly. By requiring a bond, Vandalia helps maintain the quality and safety of construction projects within its jurisdiction. How does Vandalia, Ohio concrete installer's license bond work? The bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the city of Vandalia obligee, and the surety company that issues the bond. If the contractor fails to comply with applicable laws or contractual obligations covered by the bond, a claim may be filed against the bond for compensation. The surety may pay valid claims up to the bond amount, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any amounts paid. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.co.